Nissan Qashqai plus 2. It's an M9R engine. Now I did a short because it came to me and it had been running with low oil pressure, and the lump was ruined in it. Give some idea. Main bearing. Conrod shells. So I said to the customer, if you get your engine rebuilt, or we can put a second-hand unit in it. The customer decided that he was going to get rid of the vehicle, so I've bought it. So where we're at to now is engines in. I would have put the engine and box in complete, but it had at some point in its life a single mass flywheel conversion, so I had to wait for the clutch. And being the impatient type, I thought, well, while I'm waiting for the clutch, I'll throw the engine in it. Right, we'll get the machine fired up. Now, wear safety goggles and gloves. I quite like this machine because it's got its own database, and anything that isn't in the database I look up, but I know this thing's going to be 134A anyway. It's a Qashqai plus 2. Two-litre DCI, 10 to 13, and it's the M9R. I'll add a couple of mil because we've had it apart. Pack 46. No UV because the oil that I use has already got the UV in it. And we give it a bit of a 30-minute vacuum because it has been apart. And we give it a 10-minute test time. Right, so we connect up the hoses now, see if I can do this one-handed. I'll set you down for a sec, it'll be easier that way. It's a low pressure, it's a big pipe. And a high pressure. Small pipe with a big valve in it. I'll tell the machine we've done that. And now it draws a vacuum on the pipes just to check their integrity. This takes a couple of minutes, so I'll come back when it's done. Right, so now we need to open LP and HP. And with these valves, they're not what you expect. To open them, you screw them in because you're actually pushing down the Schrader valve. So now they're both open. So the bleeping thing, yes, we've done it. Now it's going to bleep at me again because the system is empty. So I know why the system is empty, because I emptied it. Now we've got a vacuum for 40 minutes. So I'll come back nearer the time when that's completed. Right, so that's the vacuum and test done. Now it's asking for operation control. Obviously this motor isn't running, so we can't do an operation control. Now it wants us to close LP and HP. So we close these valves. Unscrew in. That's HP. That's the LP. Now it's doing its injection. Strangely enough, I did a Discovery 3 yesterday, did the AC on that, and it took 550 grams, plus or minus 25. And this thing takes 500. It was, the Discovery 3 only had front air conditioning. It did have rear originally, but it had the usual leak from the rear end. So just got the bypass kit, changed it from front and rear aircon to purely front aircon, which is plenty to cool down the cabin of the Disco 3. Disconnect LP and HP. LP and HP disconnected. Empty the hoses. That'll get me to print out the ticket and save the ticket, just in case we get inspected. I mean, this machine I've had for quite a few years as well. I think 10 years now. But it's great, you can hook it up and download an Excel sheet, so you've got the history on Excel of all the vehicles that you've done. When I start getting some newer motors with the YF, then I'll get another machine. Right, so all we've got to do is put in the reg number, and that's the job completed for this one. Then once I run it up, then we come back and see what it's like. But that'll be a part 2. Thanks for watching. So it's just a quick video on regassing the AC system on a Nissan Qashqai. Pretty straightforward, got the right equipment and the right license to be able to do it. Anyway, if you like the videos, please like, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified of when I'm putting up more videos, and any comments, questions, leave in the box below. Thanks for watching.